To get started, I just have an image open, and I'd like to resize it without stretching it and losing quality. Before we begin, you'll need to click your image layer's lock toggle to unlock it if it's locked. Alright, next, go up to Edit and select Content Aware Scale. Now you can use these handles to resize it without losing quality. If you'd like to resize it only horizontally or vertically, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while dragging one of the side handles. Okay, doing this might be good enough for you depending on your image, but my boat looks way too skinny compared to before. So I'm going to undo resizing it and press Escape to stop using the scale tool. Now to fix this, we'll need to isolate our subject, which is a boat in my example. So with your layers still selected, go to its properties and click Select Subject. The automatic selection did a pretty good job. It doesn't have to be perfect for this. So next, let's go up to Select Save Selection. In the pop-up, just give it a name and hit OK. Alright, now use the Control-D keyboard shortcut to deselect your selection, and then go back up to Edit Content Aware Scale. But before you resize your image again, you'll want to go over to the Protect dropdown and change it to the selection of your subject. Now this time, when I shift-drag the handles to resize it, the boat subject will stay the same size. Once you're happy with your resize, just tap the Enter key to confirm the change, and might take a few seconds to process it. This looks good, but you might want to use the Crop tool to get rid of any empty space on the side of your image. And I'll tap Enter to confirm my crop. But yeah, that's it for this quick tutorial. As always, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.